Hello. Our lesson today is about to and enough. Okay? So let's get started. To and enough, they express degree. Okay, now let's give some examples. Okay? For example, if I say to you, he drives too fast. Notice in this sentence we have too and fast. So too comes before fast. Okay? Too comes before fast. Fast is an adjective. Okay? So the rule is, if you want, is to plus adjective. Okay? To plus adjective. Now, let's give an example with enough. He isn't strong enough. Okay? He isn't strong enough. Here, as you may notice, it's like the opposite. It's quite the opposite. We have adjective and then enough. So, adjective, okay, adjective plus enough. The use is we use to plus adjective, too fast. Example, he drives too fast. Enough comes after the adjective, not before. Okay? So to comes before the adjective and enough comes after the adjective. He isn't strong enough. He isn't strong enough. Okay? So adjective plus enough. So recapitulation. To and enough, okay, both of them they express degree. To expresses excess, which means there is exaggeration, we exaggerate. Enough, just what we need, not more, not less. Okay? And when we use them, we have to pay attention to the fact that to comes before the adjective. Okay? And enough comes after the adjective. Now, let's practice a little bit all these things. He doesn't work hard to pass the exam. Okay? So this is a sentence. He doesn't work hard to pass the exam. What do you think here in this gap? What are we going to use? To or enough? Okay? Don't forget to apply the rule. Okay? Plus adjective or before adjective. Of course, so the answer is he doesn't work hard enough. Okay? He doesn't work hard enough. Now another example. They are tired to go out. We're talking about some people and we say they are tired to go out. You know, it's Saturday and people, they go out to the restaurant, to the cinema, and sometimes people, they are tired. So they are to go out. Here in this gap, what are we going to use? Enough or tired? Very good. So they are too tired. They are too tired. Okay? They are too tired. Okay? As I said, we apply the rule. Okay? Too tired. We have the adjective here, so too plus adjective. My father, okay, is busy. So what do you think here we're going to use in to complete the blank space, to complete the sentence? My father is busy. So enough or to? Very good. So here we use, of course, we use to. My father is too busy. Okay, it means he doesn't have enough time, or he cannot make time for his family. Okay, so to recapitulate, to and enough, they express degree. Okay, they express degree. To expresses excess. Okay, there is exaggeration, something more than we want. Okay, or more than we need. And enough, what we have is okay for us. We don't want more. Okay, so it's enough for us. And to, okay, always comes before the adjective, and enough comes after the adjective. By the way, we also use to and enough with nouns, not only with adjectives. Okay, I think it's all for today. Okay, thank you very much, and see you next lesson. Bye bye.